In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable Cast to Device in Windows 10 and stop unwanted casting. If you've ever right-clicked a file or a video and seen the Cast to Device option pop up, you might have wondered what it does, or worried that you could accidentally start casting to a nearby TV or speaker. In this walkthrough, I'll show you how to turn that feature off so it doesn't get in your way or trigger by mistake. First, let's start on your Windows 10 desktop. Look for the Start button at the bottom left of your screen and click it. From there, open the Settings app. You can either click the gear icon on the left side of the Start menu, or simply type Settings and select it from the search results. Once the Settings window is open, find and click on Devices. This is where Windows handles things like Bluetooth, printers, and other connected devices. On the left-hand side, you'll see a list of categories. Look for the one called Bluetooth and other devices, and make sure that's selected. In this section, you'll see devices that can connect wirelessly, such as Bluetooth speakers, headphones, or smart TVs. These are often the same types of devices that can appear when you use Cast to Device. To reduce or prevent unwanted casting, you'll want to remove any devices you no longer use or don't recognize. Click on a device that you don't want to cast to. Then choose the option to remove it. Confirm when Windows asks if you're sure. Repeat this for any other devices you want to clear out. Next, we'll adjust the settings that control how your computer finds and connects to other devices on your network. Go back to the main settings window and this time click on System. On the left, scroll down and select Shared Experiences or a similar option related to sharing across devices, depending on your version of Windows 10. Here, if you see options that allow your PC to share or receive content from other devices, turn those off or limit them to your own devices only. This reduces the chances of your computer automatically interacting with nearby devices that might show up in Cast to Device. When you're done, close the Settings window. From now on, you should see far fewer unexpected devices when you right-click and spot the Cast to Device option, and you'll be much less likely to start casting by accident.